Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to register for Oyster card online, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. For that, you can start by registering your Oyster card. Go to a browser, any of the browser available, and you can search for TFL. So you need to go to the official website of TFL, which is this one right here. I'll transfer for London and tap on it. And then you can go ahead and create a contact list and Oyster account. So you can go ahead and open up the particular website on your screen, which is this one right here for contact list and Oyster. And once you find it up, you can go ahead and sign up. So you look out for this sign in option and tap on it. If not signing in, if you do not have an account yet, you can go ahead and create up an account. So for that, you can go over and look out for this option called create an account and tap on it, and you can go on with the process of creating your account. Once you have created your account and logged in into TFL, if you want to register your Oyster card online, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to the section for adding your Oyster card once you are logged in. So you need to just go ahead and add up, answer some of the questions, some of the security question and provide an answer. You must go ahead and make at least one journey with the card before you can add it to your account. So you can just go over and follow the process. And once it's completed, you may need to verify yourself. And once the verification is completed, your Oyster card should be registered online. And that will allow you to top up your pay as you go credit, view your journey history, and track your spending, and even manage your card details. And that way you can just go and do so. If you're a visitor, your Oyster card cannot be registered. Keep your account login details confidential and take precautions to prevent the unauthorized access. And that way you can register for Oyster online card. That is it, everybody. You may follow this process. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.